Right guys, today I'm gonna show how to save some money on windshield wipers. What we're gonna use just one windshield wiper, and we put it stick in the middle here, and just use one wiper and one X-ray windshield wiper. So that's how you can save money, because this thing costs about $35, and you can just use one instead of buy two, which is $70. But just one, $35. You're gonna need this tool right here. Make sure it's sharp like this. Half-inch nut here. Here's another one. So actually that's 13 millimeters. So what we're gonna do, just unscrew this. Like this. Repeat on the other side. Don't lose that, because you're gonna need it. And you can do it like this. Sometimes you want, so you can use. Find me this tool here. So I'll try this. Try not to force it too much. It will pop out. On camera, we're gonna use this. Wait a couple minutes. Let it soak in. That should come out easy. Well, after a little bit play with it, it come out okay. So now we're just gonna install like this and see how far we're gonna go. Alright, so that's the only one windshield wiper we're gonna use for entire windshield. Let's see. So there you go. When you turn your windshield wiper on, make sure it's not dry, because you don't want any scratches on your windshield. So now this is what it looks like inside. Let's turn the windshield wiper on. See what happens. Okay, now we're gonna have to move the windshield wiper a little bit more up, so it will reach this side right here. I got this wiper a little bit moved a little bit up, so let's see how it goes.